Have you ever pulled up to a parking spot, tried to parallel park, and completely failed? You might start to sweat. You might try frantically turning down the radio even though you already did that. You might even consider driving away, fleeing the scene never to return. If you're suffering from symptoms of bad parallel parking, you're not alone, and there is help. Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to parallel park like a pro. This is a method that I've been using for over 10 years to successfully parallel park every time. And I watched a couple other YouTube videos about this, and my method is a little bit different. So hopefully if those videos haven't helped you in the past, this might be a little bit of an easier way to understand it. So let's go ahead and get parking. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna wanna do, of course, is put your blinker on. You don't want people to think that you're just sitting in the street mindlessly and aimlessly. So toss on that blinker. I'm gonna turn mine off so it's not clicking in your face the whole time, but pretend that it's still on. Then you're gonna put your car in reverse. Of course, make sure nobody is coming. And then the first thing I'm gonna do is, once we're pulled up next to the car next to us, you wanna be about a foot away from the car next to you. So some people say to get as close as possible. I like to leave a little bit of extra space, like maybe a foot, foot and a half. Just obviously we don't want to swipe the car that we're parking behind. So I like to leave about a foot, foot and a half of space. So now I'm going to back up until I can see the back of the car that I'm going to be parking behind in the window of my back passenger seat. And then once I can see it, sometimes you have to sit up a little bit if it's a lower car, I'm gonna start cutting my wheel all the way. So we're gonna turn it all the way until we can't turn it anymore. I'm gonna back up. Until I can see both headlights of the car behind me, and then I'm gonna stop. Then what I'm gonna do is straighten out the wheel, and then I'm gonna cut the wheel all the way back. And my car has a rear camera, so I can actually see how close I am to the car behind me. But if you don't, take this part very slow, just in case you give the little car behind you a little smooch. You wanna make sure you're taking that nice and slow. We don't want any damage. And now that I'm pulled all the way back, I'm gonna straighten out my wheels and pull forward. Then I backed up just a little bit to even myself out. All right, guys, so that is the end of the parallel parking portion of this video. If you want to stick around, I'm going to be driving around and doing a little bit of get to know me kind of thing. So if you want to keep watching, that would be awesome. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching the parallel parking portion of this video. I hope if you have struggled with parallel parking in the past, you watch this video and get something great out of it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And if you ring the bell, you'll get notifications when I post new videos. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. Change of plans. It's obviously a new day. And the reason for that is because I was editing this video and ran into some technical difficulties. And those technical difficulties were that I'm technologically challenged and I caused myself difficulty because I deleted half of the footage that I had for this video. So that was fun. So I deleted any kind of behind the scenes footage that I had. So I'm not gonna have a video on Wednesday, unfortunately, this week, but I will include any bloopers or behind the scenes things that I do still have, because some of it made it onto my computer and some of it didn't. So I'll include what I have at the end of this video. I talked about this in another video that I made, that I have space issues on my phone and my computer because the disk space on my computer is really small. So I can't always transfer all of my videos from my phone onto the disk on my computer. And I thought that I backed up my videos that I filmed on the cloud. Come on, does anyone know how to use the cloud? Does anyone, or is it a myth? I feel like it's a myth, but if you guys know how to use it, let me know. I thought I backed them all up, but apparently I only backed up some of them. So that's why I have some footage and not the rest of what I wanted to have. So
that stinks.
So what I'm doing right now is going to return some party decorations that I ordered for my friend's birthday. I was gonna have a little get together in my backyard for her birthday over the weekend, but it ended up raining, so we had to cancel the party. If you guys wanna see how I safely have gatherings in my backyard, I will link that video that I made on that on the screen and in the description box below as well. So I'm just gonna go return her decorations now. I'm also considering starting a new series on my channel. I don't want to explain it now because I feel like it's not going to make that much sense. If I try to explain it, I feel like I'm just going to post the video and see if you guys like it. So I might start that either next week or the week after. So I hope you guys like it. I hope to see you guys back here next week after the holiday weekend. If you are planning on celebrating, please be safe and have fun, and I will see you next time. And oh my God, a golden retriever puppy. Oh my God, I love him. I love him so much. I love him. I don't even know how many I love him. Oh yeah, I want to do one where I want to do one that's really bad. I'm going to do one where I can't get in the spot. And then be like, this is what not to do.
Okay, so should I film?
Yeah. And I'm just going to do it really bad. Okay, now I need to get a shot of the mirrors.
Okay, so I'll go in and do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's better.
What?
I'm gonna stop recording.
Yeah, and then start over.
And then
I'll just keep the windows down, whatever. Doesn't really matter. That way you can yell at me to stop if I'm gonna hit something. Okay. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do until you see the back of the car, I know. I'm talking to the video. Is that good or was it bad? Damn it. Have you ever pulled up to a parking spot? Wait. You might even want to just scrap your mission altogether and drive away and never to return. Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to parallel park like a boss. Oh, a cute dog. I wish I could have music on while I'm filming this, but you know, copyright, so I can't. Oh, Tesla. Come on. Come on. I'm just jealous of your car, that's it. Alright, I am pulling into my garage, so things are about to get very dark. So thank you guys so much for watching if you watched until the very end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!